Gee, it must be great, right?
Now the Guises report here in New York, NBC News commentator Merrill Miller.
Good afternoon. A dog knocked a goat right out of the world's attention today. In a masterpiece of propaganda timing, the Soviet Union announced it had launched Sputnik #2, carrying a live dog. This is reportedly history's first space travel. Grim military warning. Confirmed now by Anglo-American scientists, the rocket that launched Sputnik #2 is capable of carrying a ton-and-a-half hydrogen-bomb warhead more than 5,000 miles to the Earth.
The kind of thing that a month ago sounded like a joke. But in Washington now, anyone who cares to laugh at this does so at his own risk.
Gentlemen, it appears that the whole world's concerned about little Mutnik flying around out there in space. Dr. Speck, what can you tell us about her chances for survival?
I believe her chances for survival are probably quite good.
Keep your chin up, little dog. You deserve a monument. You pioneer in space.
Sneaked under the table is better than a scrap found in a bin. Scraps are all the same when loneliness has worn you thin. Russia is no place for strays. The winters are cold and the sidewalks don't forgive. You are different, you are ugly. You don't have a right to this worthless paradigm that brought me here today. I'm blasting into outer space. I'm the homeland's hope in this space race. There is no talk of my return, so it's
a beauty and a poise. Worship me, make some noise!
Meow, like you need it, so it's like this meow. Like the planet only turns if you meow.
I'm getting out of here, let's blow this sunny atmosphere. I will not have my perfect species polluted by this mixed race swine. So she built a magic ship that blasted from the pyramid's tip, and she ran over the Sphinx, and the Baal, and the Siamese, and she shot us into orbit to start a new society. Yo, cat balls, away! Yo, because it's all day.
Meow, like you need it, so it's like this meow. Like the planet only turns if you meow.
You must know that all cats are queens, and we've left behind all those who disagree. We're not reduced to chasing plastic mice or eating tins of meat. And if all cats are royal, I'm the queen, the queen! That was a very dramatic way to start. What? Dead to my love? Shakespeare. I'm Bin Cat and I'm full of self-loathing. I never used to be, but when there's so much loathing from others. Anyway, I was just minding my own business. Save this for later. Trying to find a late night snack in these cracks, and some heaven-sent merciful meteor crashes straight into these hateful, black-souled Satanist assholes! You were probably wooed by their sass, all sparkly and shit, sitting on your laps, I saw it. And now you're thinking, shit, the most interesting part of the show's behind me and I've got to listen to some homeless tabby monologue about her sad life for the next 30 minutes. It's partly true. Cats a piece of beauty, and cats smell like a dream. Space cats are long and lean, they'll make keep themselves sparkling clean. But what about the kitties that are different? The weird and smelly few, the hairless or too hairy ones, the hiding their faces.
Oh, heresy! Traitor! Opportunistic parasite, gutter-dwelling hell minion!
To be fair, I also said a lot of bad stuff about myself.
Bastard slut of pigs!
She just called your mother a pig.
Well, she also called me a slut though, so it's not all bad.
It's bad.
You are the fattest vulture in the Whiskers way. How came you so spherical? I thought casting you out for some sort of abstinence, and now I find you ingratiating yourself on our corpses.
Beggars can't be
Silence, you puke stocking! There is no place on this planet for your gluttonous cowardice, not on the palace, not in the streets. You will infect our pounds no longer. I sentence you to decapitation!
Oh, fun.
Her spotty skin looks like a tray full of rancid shit, and it's making my arsenal burn just to let loose all over the place.
It's just that I don't want to have to touch her. Mars only just finished licking me clean. And
There was plenty of dead patches.
yes, they required a lot of tonguing.
That's right. I think it was worth it. You look great.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So you see,
Lock her in the substation to await death. I don't like mess, you see. I'd rather avoid the chaos. But if I don't rule with an iron paw, then we'll end up like Atlantis. We're free, fucking loving heathens. It sank, everybody died. Details. Meow! Help!
Never fear.
we'll save you.
Oh, no, oh, come on, alien demon. Put up your paws. Do your work.
I'll defend you with my life.
No, I'll die for her first.
Not if I die first.
Or not if I kill myself right now.
Oh, you would. Oh, please, don't kill yourself for me.
What? Ow.
Who are you?
I'm Laika. I come in peace from Russia, the great almighty, in the planet Earth, in the solar system called the Solar System, in the galaxy, the Milky Way. Sorry about the disruption. Can someone tell me where I am? You are in so much trouble. Oh, wait for it.
You are
Oh God, not again.
magnificent. An otherworldly god, tell me I'm never wrong. In your motherland, are you a king revered by all, a high-born worshipped prince?
Yeah. Yeah, that.
What is your breed?
I'm not. Well, no, I mean a Jack Russell crossed with King.
Where are your slaves, king-like?
Oh, yes, filthy low slaves. They burn themselves in my rocket flames, sacrifice themselves to wish me safe passage.
Oh, the power!
The mystery.
You are very wise.
Oh, it's nothing.
You delight me, Laika. Just when I thought Cat Mars had nothing left for me to conquer, Laika's dream the skies deliver.
Okay, so we're in Cat Mars. In the solar system.
It's pronounced.
That's what I said. In the galaxy, the Whiskers Way. So you're really similar. I'm Bruno.
I'm Mars.
You're Mars from Cat Mars.
The name is a sacred honor.
Always rub that one in.
And I'm the pinnacle, the sovereign, the leading light, Her Majesty.
The Queen.
You've starred in my dreams. You're the new leading man on the scene.
Oh no.
You're exotic. Let me taste. You're awarded my first place.
What's all this about? Just go.
When the planets align, I'm gonna make you mine. Come into season, I'm gonna make you come to me. I know not yet, I'm still waiting to be plucked. Come over here and let's get started. The sun's in line, and now it's time. I'm steaming hot, extra sweet. The planets have agreed, got the need to breed. Get the boat open. Come on. You may be filthy, but I like it that way. You're a dog, but at least you're not gay.
Oh no, that would be horrible.
They're good at going down. The sun's in line, and now it's time. I'm steaming hot, extra sweet. The planets have agreed, got the need to breed.
Every time she comes on heat, she's been making us her sex meat. She's hot and she's rough and we've really had enough. Save us, save us. Save us, save us.
We've all got
Save us,
needs.
save
We
us.
wanna taste another seed. We've all got
Save us,
holes.
save
We
us.
wanna dowdy debutante. Come
Save
on,
us, save
come on,
us.
and taste the space unknown. Come
Save
on,
us, save us.
and throw this cat a bone.
Save us, save us. Sun's in line, and now it's time. We're steaming hot, extra sweet. The planets have agreed. We got the need to breathe.
Yes.
No.
Pardon?
No, thank you.
Oh, aliens. The subtleties must be lost in translation. Come here, buddy. How do you say, I want you to ejaculate your nut butter into my mouth and then punch me in the nose and I'm going to spit my blood and your nut butter in your face. Bam, splat, I love me a strawberries and cream.
It's the same.
Yes.
No, please.
I have never,
She has never. I never would. No, never.
I have never heard this word no in front of my engorged loins.
Well, I'm sorry, I just don't feel so inclined. My heart. You see, my body can't go where my heart is not.
Are you a gay?
Oh, the one thing we thought you weren't.
Heretic, bumming dog.
No, I'm not a gay.
Your planet sent me a
No,
gay!
I'm just a lovelorn straight.
We do not allow gays here.
Oh no, no gays here. Gays. They're not going to be here. Knock, knock. Who's there? Not again. Then you make a call. Hello, I'm not looking for gays. Come here. Listen to that. Ugh. Where's that coming from? That is anti-gay vocals. Why?
Catmars is a sacred place, and we must keep it that way. We do not believe in gays.
Or sodomy.
Or gentle exploration of the prostate.
We don't believe in the ugly, and we killed her for the old.
Yeah, we got rid of those.
They were killing our economy.
I do miss my mother, though. She was lovely.
We don't allow the poor, or those who can't hold down a job, or the artists, or the anarchists.
Too fruity.
And we don't allow the stupid ones, or the academics, or those who worship false gods.
All hail the Queen.
And tonight, we will kill off the last of the infirm, the useless, and the disfigured.
I regret nothing!
We will have a perfect planet with 3 cats, and if you join us, a dog king.
I don't know what to say.
We'll prove you're not the dreaded gay. Come on, come on, come on, baby. Come on, that's a good boy. Come on, come on, come in the boat. Come on, come on, come on, on your knees.
No! I'm sorry, I won't. It's been a really long day. I thought I'd landed somewhere glorious. Catmars was a new frontier, and the initial hospitality was really very nice. But now I see that everything comes with a price. And rather than obey and end up like those guys, I will not bend this time. Call me what you will. Again, I do decline.
Oh, enjoy your final hours. There is much to cat pertaining to do today. Slaves, take him away. Let us have a nice beheading party.
You've got some big earth balls, dog. Big giant space balls of stone. Not really. You did something I've never seen done before. Not by me, not by those that came before me, or those that came before them. I'd let you out, but out there, in here, it's all the same. That's the spirit? Your bravery's inspiring. It's hopelessness, not bravery. Mars! There's something I have to tell you. You have space fleas? No. Don't do it, man. If everyone's jumping off the cliff, I don't want to be the one left behind. I always wanted to say no. I never thought that I could. I didn't want to be her hoe. I just did what I should. I always wanted something more than a cheap cat sex slave. I blamed myself, but now I know another way. I think I'm gay. I'm really gay. Don't say I am very, 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 very gay. I don't dream of having litters or cat bikini babes. I dream of neon night sky glitters. I am cosmically gay.
You think you are in prison, but it turns out you're free. I'm the one in lockup because I haven't been me. Thought I'd never be allowed to love or make punishment of death, but it's you who know I dream of. You're who makes me lose my breath. I'm super gay. I'm super gay. Yeah. Hoping we are very, 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 very gay. We're gay all the way. If we can't live in this world, we can go to the next. Because nothing is more precious than to choose the one you sex. When you speak your mind, you finally find your kind. Chinese, I love a crime. We'll be gay to Jupiter. We can get it in Uranus. We'll be together. Why can't you love our gay cats? better choose the one you said. Can't start! Skibidi-bop, skibidi-bop, we are cosmically gay.
Hello? Hello? Is anyone there?
Fuck off!
I'm sorry. What is that fucking noise?
I'm licking my own asshole. Last night's dinner just came through and I don't want to die hungry, alright?
Fair enough. I like assholes.
Well, get your own then, turd burglar.
Have my own.
Oh, shit. Don't be sad. I'm sure your anus is very nice.
Can we stop all talking about our asses, please?
Sorry.
I don't want to get decapitated. I don't want to die.
Well, you just got to change the way you think about it. You know, death isn't scary if you've got nothing to live for.
Try to escape. Did I really get far? You know they always say, wherever you go, there you are. A life spent on the run doesn't change the game. Is there always someone making moves and someone taking blame? 'Cause I don't know how to live with these unknowns, darling. I don't know if it's worth my time. What if this is all it is forevermore, darling? We shouldn't do this.
What the very fuck is going on? We did the decapitation dance, we did the sorting bit, now we did the chopping bit. Why is everything turned into shit today?
We won't do it.
What now? I want someone to be very clear and very careful and very honest, very, very honest, and tell me what in the many moons of Cat Jupiter is going on here.
Oh, yes, I can do that. That's
My
me.
queen.
I can do that.
We've loved you for so very long.
Love, would you say love?
Adored.
Or feared?
And respected, but
Yeah, but respect though, like, say, like you respect someone who kidnapped you and put you in a basement and there were no lights, no light bulbs, and there was glass to the floor and they cut your feet and there was blood coming out for days. And, well, it took them a few days to come and check on us and then another few days after that to actually clean the wound. And then once they did that, it was well, you know, like that kind of respect.
yes, that kind of respect.
Yeah.
That's mostly terror.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not actually offended by that.
Look, there's something I have to tell you.
I'll say it. We are no longer afraid. And in fact, you are kind of small. It's for us.
Get back!
Meow.
Oh, but this just got good.
Why are you all so full of hatred?
We're cats.
Don't you think you'd all be happier if you were more like dogs?
Why?
Well, dogs just love everyone.
Even, hypothetically speaking here, even someone who was kind of like higher up in power and had big, crazy, curly hair and Kim Kardashian ass and like sparkles and kind of like raped other cats like me.
Even, hello. Even someone who, like, whose voice was a bit nasal, but there was a musicality to it. Who liked to eat dead things and had, like, pussy pockets. I mean, someone like that.
Anyone with love for them?
Oh, well, that sounds like a surefire way for chaos to reign and for fire
not really, it's very simple. You see, when I became an astronaut explorer, I thought I'd find mystical worlds that were far removed from my cold Russian winters. Even the exotic proved to be just as cold and violent. At least on the streets, dogs never killed each other for fun or punishment or sport.
You were a street dog?
Lies! Lies! Dogs don't want you to be anything that you aren't. Be a street dog. Be a gay space cat. To a dog, it doesn't matter.
But why would I do this?
Look at your planet. You have 4 cats left.
Yeah, soon to be 1.
Exactly. What are you going to do when you've got no one left to yell at or force yourself onto sexually?
I don't know. I'll be frustrated, I guess. I mean, I won't have anyone to go through my fur to see if I have space fleas, and I won't have anyone to go and prepare and catch my Patagonian toothfish, and I won't have anyone to rub myself up against. But how? How do you accept all the hideous and all the old and all the society bludgers and the homosexuals? How do you put up with all that horror?
You just don't care.
Give us a go at being queens.
Yeah. Well, let me eat your rubbish. It's not like you want it anyway.
You just give no fucks.
You better get used to getting down and dirty.
This is what happens when rulership dies.
Rebellion is sexy, dictating's for dicks.
But before we get naked,
How about we all try giving no fucks? Just be fucking fabulous. Giving no fucks. Dare to be giving no fucks about who people fuck. Forgive if they fucked up. So all that's left to do is fuck.
The apocalypse is on its way. Hurricanes and tidal waves.
Now Peter's lays atop their bones,
And you can only find shelter together. Giving no fucks. Just be fucking fabulous. Giving no fucks. Dare to be giving no fucks about who people fuck. Forgive if they fucked up. So all that's left to do is fuck. Currencies crash, cultures destroyed, public beheadings, power is oiled. The born rich don't believe in fate. Billions of dollars is spent on self-hate. The loneliness. We've never been more populous. Turn back the victims to their captors. Make love before a nuclear winter. Giving no fuck.